Welcome you all to today's modular classroom. Today we are going to see the basic differences between the two video conferencing platforms Google Meet and Zoom for handling online classes. There are some basic differences which are available in both the platforms which help us in teaching. In online teaching, we need the whiteboard. Sometimes we need to write something, we need to draw something, we need to point out something. And for this purpose, whiteboard usage is very important. And what are all the two different ways of using whiteboards in both the platforms? That is the first difference. And when you take the recording options, there is recording options, which is this whiteboard usage is a basic difference. And the second is the recording option. When you take recording, there is no recording option available for the normal Gmail account in Meet, while it is available in Zoom. When you take the time limit, there is a 40 minutes time limit in Zoom and an unlimited time in Meet till September 20. When we consider the present screen, whoever joins the meeting can able to present their screen in Meet, but in Zoom only if the host allows they can able to present their screen. A waiting room is available in the Zoom, but it is not available in Meet. These are all some basic differences. And there is a availability of Google Meet in web, Android, and iOS, whereas Zoom is also available in Mac OS. And direct web access meet.google.com. You can access the Meet from directly from the web without installing any additional software, but it is not possible in Zoom. And participant limit is 100 in both Meet and Zoom. Meeting time limit is totally 60 minutes till September 30, and it is 40 minutes completely for a free account. And screen sharing is both available in Meet and Zoom. Here, there is no basic difference in both the Meet and Zoom. Recording support, Meet doesn't support, whereas Zoom supports. And when you take the whiteboard, you can use the Meet whiteboard and Meet through the Jamboard. And here, direct screen share for whiteboard is possible in Zoom. So let us see how it is implemented, how this whiteboard usage can be done in both Meet and Zoom. So this is a Meet platform, meet.google.com. Here, if I want to use the whiteboard, I have to go to the Jamboard. So I have opened jamboard.google.com. Here, for presenting this, I have to go to present now screen, and I have to use the Chrome tab, so that here meet.google.com. Here I have to share this, and here I can start writing, use it as a whiteboard. I can take a pen, I can start writing. I can take a pen here. Here I can write hello or something, whatever I wish, I can write here in the whiteboard. And if you want to insert erase, you can take the eraser and then you can erase it. And if you want to insert any sticky notes, you can include hello, welcome to class. You can save, and the sticky note will be pasted here. You can also, if you want to insert any image, either from the Google merge or some photos or something, you can take a photo and you can paste it, and then you can explain the photo. So you can take a whiteboard from the Jamboard and you can use it. But this is possible in Meet. Now you can start presenting. So now, what is the case regarding the Zoom? You can go to the Zoom. Here, Zoom should be installed. There, it is not installed, but instead we can go to the meet.google.com and start a meeting. Here, already a Zoom is installed. Here, you should go to the share screen. You can take a whiteboard here. Here, the whiteboard is available in the Meet itself. Here, the whiteboard now opens. Now, the pen is available. You can share it. So now it is being already it is shared. You can write whatever you wish, and you can take some images. You can also take the eraser. You can take a text box, and you can type if you wish something to be typed hello or something. If you want to draw, a circle, you can draw a circle or something. And whatever images which is available, whatever the spotlights is available, you can You can use the spotlight to explain. You can find this. Now this hello is being spotlighted. You can take a spotlight. You can take the eraser. You can draw an image. You can include the text. So a whiteboard usage is very important for teaching. And in this online teaching, this whiteboard support is possible, in though it is possible in both. In Meet you have to use through the Jamboard. In Zoom you can just you can present your screen with the whiteboard. And this is all the basic differences. And with the basic difference, we can decide or we can judge what are all the features which is available. Either we want to use the whiteboard or recording options, or and what is the difference? With these differences, we can prefer whatever platform we want. I never judge the Meet is best or Zoom is best. Both are best in their methods, in their ways. If you want 24 hours, or if you want more than 3 to 4 hours of class, Zoom doesn't support. In that situation, you have to use Meet. If you want the recording options, if you want the recording, you have to go for Zoom. If you want a waiting room, you can prefer Zoom. So depending upon the features or the requirements, which is very important for us, we can prefer the platform. But these are all the basic differences. So based on that, we can select our platform. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned.